If you want to improve your writing directly inside Google Docs, Grammarly makes it incredibly easy. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grammarly in Google Docs step by step so you can start checking your spelling, grammar, clarity, and tone while you write. This is a simple setup, but once it's installed, it can save you a lot of editing time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari, depending on what you normally use. For the best experience, make sure your browser is updated, because browser extensions usually work more smoothly on the latest version. Next, visit the Grammarly browser extension page. This is the official place to get the extension, so you can install it safely and make sure you're using the real Grammarly tool. Once the page loads, look for the install button. Depending on your browser, it may say Add to Chrome, Add to Edge, or something similar. Click the install button and confirm the installation when your browser asks for permission. This step is important because Grammarly needs to be added to your browser before it can work inside Google Docs. Once it finishes installing, you should see the Grammarly extension appear in your browser toolbar or inside the extensions menu. Now, click the extensions icon in your browser toolbar. This is usually the puzzle piece icon near the top right of your screen. When you open that menu, find Grammarly in the list of installed extensions. If you use extensions often, you may want to pin Grammarly so it stays easy to access. After you find Grammarly, select Login to link your account. This connects the extension to your Grammarly profile, which allows it to personalize suggestions and keep everything synced across your devices. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, follow the prompts to create one and complete the setup. Once you're logged in, open any document in Google Docs. This can be a blank document, a draft, an essay, a blog post, or any text you want to improve. As soon as Grammarly is active, you should see the green Grammarly widget appear in the bottom right corner of the page. That little widget is your sign that everything is working correctly. From here, you can start writing as usual, and Grammarly will begin checking your document in the background. It can help catch spelling mistakes, grammar issues, repeated words, awkward phrasing, and other writing problems as you type. When suggestions appear, you can click the Grammarly widget to review them and decide which ones you want to accept. This is especially useful if you write a lot in Google Docs because you don't have to copy your text into another app just to proofread it. You can stay right inside your document and edit faster with real-time feedback. It's a great workflow for students, business owners, content creators, and anyone who wants cleaner writing. If you ever don't see the widget, double check that the extension is installed, that you're logged in, and that Grammarly is enabled in your browser. Sometimes refreshing the Google Docs page can also help if the widget doesn't appear right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Grammarly in Google Docs. Once the extension is installed and logged in, the green widget will appear in your document and help you improve your writing as you go. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.